Yes, sir.
So, welcome again to all of you. And before going to further proceeding towards rotation, the topic is rotation. We will first revise this translation. Okay. So, you have a point P, you have a point P, and you have to move 6 units in X direction and 4 units in Y direction. You have to change your position. You have to change this point position to 6 units in X direction and 4 units in Y direction. So you will get the new position of the point. So now it is 8 comma 6 you have seen yesterday. And what the equations, if you see you are doing this displacement, this position change, you will find that the equations in X and Y terms, see X dash equal to X plus Tx, Y dash equal to Y plus Ty. Okay. So you can write this in matrix format like this. This is we have already done in yesterday class. But you can see here addition is performed between matrices. You have point matrix, you have unit that you want to change in X and Y directions, and after that add both matrices and find the new position of the points. And we have also done a question in that we have taken 4 units and five for 4 points and 5 points and tried to replace their position, not replace but translate by giving the value t something 2 and tx and ty is something 3. We have done in yesterday example. So for the rotation, the today's topic is rotation. Okay. So in rotation, basically it is orientation, change in phases. You have a point P, this P, and you have to change some angle and find the new position of P, like moving this pixel point P to this new position P. It maybe you can denote P dash. So with the x-axis, suppose it is phi. Okay, any angle you can assume. This P point, if you draw a line from this origin to point P, then it will be like a vector. Okay, and this vector is having some angle with the x-axis, suppose phi. Okay, and after that, if you moving this P point to P dash or red P, you can see, then you have to change in angle. So theta angle you are changing, you are rotating or you are moving this pixel or this point P theta anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise. So theta replacement is there. So if you see with this vector, x-axis is rotated how much? Theta plus phi. Theta is between this and phi is between this. Okay, this is actually what I have explaining. This P, initial P is value, coordinate value xy, and you connected with the origin P, so it is r vector denoting r by r, and with respect to x-axis the angle is assumed phi. Okay, so you have a triangle, you can see this is a triangle. If origin, this point and this perpendicular on the x-axis, then with this phi angle you have a triangle, and you can easily calculate y and x. Okay, it is a perpendicular and it is a base, and this is angle, this is y and this is x. So it's a very easy to find y and x. Okay, so what will be the value of y equal to how much? Tell me.
R sin phi.
The value of y equal to what?
R sin phi. So r sin phi.
Y equal to r sin.
Phi.
X equal to
R cos phi.
r cos phi. You can see from here also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sin theta equal to what? This perpendicular upon base. हिंदी में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा ना, लाल बटे कक्का क्या कहते थे,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
Sin theta equal to this perpendicular lump
Yes, sir.
oblique बटे
Curve.
आधार बेस, ऐसा नहीं, this is this r.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so sin theta equal to y upon r.
R.
Cos theta equal to what? This base upon this r vector.
Diagonal.
Okay, diagonal. So x upon r. किसी को कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं, कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं? बहुत इजी. sin theta equal to
No, sir.
y upon r and cos theta equal to.
No, sir.
No.
And what about if I ask tan theta equal to how much?
Then, sir, y by x.
What?
Y by x.
Y by x.
Very good, very good, very good. So you can easily understand that this is not very typical and something different. It is from your inter book, you can see. Now if you find x and y, you can write from this formula x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Okay. Now if we change theta angle, that means total angle is what? Total angle with this r, or for p dash. Now p is now what? After changing this angle, it will be p dash, and your this r is not changed. Okay, because you are only rotating the angle, not the translating this. So r is again the same. So r has no change in r, but change in x dash y dash. So now the x is what? If you draw this perpendicular on x, then x dash and y dash, because the coordinates are x dash y dash now. And the angle is theta or theta plus phi? For this triangle,
theta plus phi.
So theta plus phi total angle होगा.
Okay. And now in this situation, what the value of y dash equal to?
So r sin theta.
Only
No,
r,
sir. No, sir.
R sin theta
No, sir.
plus phi.
Theta plus phi.
r sin theta plus
Phi.
because angle is not theta only. It is
Yes, sir. Theta plus phi.
So only change in what? This y will be y dash and this theta will be theta plus phi. Okay, because you change only the angle, because previously it was phi, now it is theta plus phi. R is similar, x and y is changed now, x dash y dash. So replace this. If you don't want to do deep calculation, just replace this formula by y dash and theta phi to theta plus phi. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Sin theta plus phi equal to y dash upon r. Okay, so y dash will be what? Y dash equal to r dot sin phi plus theta. Okay, what is y dash? Y dash equal to r sin theta plus phi. See from here, y dash equal to what? Y dash equal to r sin theta plus phi. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what you have to do, you have to just expand this formula, cos theta plus phi, cos a plus b. So cos is what? In cos, two terms are equal, minus two terms are different. That means cos, sin. So cos theta dot cos phi minus sin theta dot sin phi.
Sin phi.
Okay. Similarly, if we see sin theta, it is different. Take one cos sin, then a sin cos. So cos phi sin theta and sin phi cos theta. symbol is plus. In cos, this is minus. In sine, it is plus. So expand this formula and you will get x dash equal to this and y dash equal to this. From where you find x? Because r cos phi, from this previous value, r cos phi is x and r sin phi is y. So put this value in this, r cos phi and r sin phi equal to x and y respectively. Similarly, here r cos phi equal to x, r sin phi is y. So new value of x dash is what? X dash equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y dash equal to x sin theta plus y sin theta. Okay, so your new coordinates are, new point values are x dash y dash. So write these values x dash y dash in your copy. X dash equal to what? X dot cos theta minus y sin theta. Y dash equal to x sin theta plus cos theta. Clear? So for this period, I want to show you this again through this whiteboard. Now you are seeing whiteboard. If I am right, whiteboard is on your screen. I'm right? You people are getting this
Yes, sir.
whiteboard?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Whatever
Only whiteboard.
okay, whatever we have discussed, again
Yes, sir.
explaining, going to explain to you, and wherever you found that you have not getting the points or you have not got the point, so tell me, okay? Ask me,
Okay, sir.
because I am again spelling the same. But as you know, drawing through this mouse is very difficult. So your point is, I'm trying to do this, but so your T point is value of x comma y. Okay, you want to rotate this with the theta angle, so it will get, and we have rotated the theta angle in anti-clockwise. So after rotating theta dash, we will get new value, new position, t dash, and x will be x dash and y will be now changed to y dash. Okay, so your this p pixel is at this p dash. Okay, so how we will get the equation? Because equation will give you the mathematical portion, and after implementing this mathematical equations in programming, you will get the actual graphic scenario. Okay, so for that, if we we join this from origin, okay, origin is O, it may be another point. We can rotate this point with respect to any other point, but initially we are trying to rotate this p pixel with theta angle with respect to which point? Center point or origin point 0, 0. Okay. Okay. Initially, it is having phi angle with the x-axis. Clear? Draw a perpendicular. You will get angle, triangle. Okay. This is the scenario. This is O point, this is P point, and this is suppose A point. Assume this is A point. So you have assumed this is R. This is what? R. And what it is? What it is? It is this perpendicular value is what? This is Y.
Y.
And this base will be
Okay.
X, because it is showing actually K. I am not, as I already told you, it is very difficult to draw through mouse. It is X, not K. Okay. I am drawing this using mouse, not a pen, not a pad I am using. So drawing is not as per mark. So you will see this is Y, this is X. Now apply angle sine phi. Sin phi. Sin phi equal to what? This perpendicular and the diagonal you can
R.
say R. Okay. From here you will get y equal to r sine.
Theta.
This is phi, not theta, but it is phi. We have assumed this theta or phi. What we have written? This is phi. Okay. What will be x? If we use cos phi, cos angle, cos phi, what will be the value?
X by R.
X upon
R.
r. So x equal to r
Cos phi.
cos phi. Okay. Draw. Okay, this is good. That will be better. Now in the next scenario, we see P draw a perpendicular. Draw perpendicular. What is this? Whose mic is on, beta? Whose mic is on? Okay. So support it is B. So B. Good. ये यूज किया जाए तो और अच्छा रहेगा. Okay. So now in this situation you have this x and y. This x and y. And now situation of this point P is what? This. If you write here O, okay, this point is what? It's a P dash and this point is what? We have assumed B. Okay. So your angle is what? Your angle is previously in this, it was phi, and you have rotated this by theta. Okay. If you see, previously it was how much? Where it is pen?
Phi.
Where it is? Where it is pen? Anybody can tell me where is it is eraser? It is drawing point is there, but where it is pen? Format line. Only drawing is there. If I want to write something through pen, where is pen? From where I can find? No. कोई बता सकता है इसमें पेन कहाँ है? किसी ने यूज किया अभी तक? मिल गया. It was phi. and it is theta. Okay, now for this triangle 0 P dash B, the complete angle is what? It is what? Tell me. It is, बताओ भाई क्या हो गया एंगल? आवाज मेरी अगर आ रही तो बताओ भाई एंगल क्या होगा?
थीटा।
फाइव
थीटा होगा, फाई होगा, कुछ और होगा?
थीटा प्लस फाइव
थीटा प्लस 5.
अच्छा चलो, कितने लोग कह रहे हैं केवल थीटा होगा?
सर
सर टोटल
P
थीटा.
dash और B का सर थीटा प्लस 5 होगा.
हाँ, टोटल पूछ
नो
रहा
सर, थीटा हुआ केवल.
हूँ। नहीं, टोटल में पूछ रहा हूँ वो एंगल इस समय क्या होगा फॉर दिस ट्रायंगल ओ पी डैश बी वैल्यू?
सर
थीटा
थीटा
प्लस
प्लस 5.
प्लस फाइव
थीटा
कितना टाइम लोगे तुम लोग? थीटा प्लस, अब यहाँ लिखने के लिए भी हमें क्या चाहिए?
5.
सर थीटा प्लस फाइव.
गुड, तो हमें यहाँ लिखना पड़ेगा थीटा प्लस 5. Clear? Now this is R. It is already clear to all of you that this is R, and this will be what? This P dash B will be what? P dash B equal to P dash B
Y dash.
Y dash, and OB equal to X dash.
X
Okay.
dash.
Okay. Now if I say sine theta plus phi equal to what?
R.
Sine theta
sin theta cos 5 plus cos theta sin 5.
theta plus phi equal to R
R upon Y dash.
R upon
Y
Y.
dash.
Right, guys.
Y dash upon R or R upon dash?
Y dash upon R.
Sir Y dash upon
Y dash upon R.
Very good. Y dash upon R.
Sir Y dash upon R.
Good. And in case of cos,
Sir
X
X
dash
dash
upon
upon
X dash upon
R.
R.
No, I have to write this. So theta plus phi, जूम करिए इन दोनों के बीच में, ठीक है? So this is you get from this triangle OP dash B. Now, what is the formula of cos theta plus phi or cos theta? If I ask this, tell me. Cos
theta cos 5
Cos
minus sin theta
plus
sin 5.
B equal to what?
Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B.
Very good. Cos A dot cos B minus sin A dot sin B. Yes. If you multiply with the R, then you will get what? R cos A cos B minus R cos A
R
cos B. Okay. क्लियर है ना? कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है आप लोगों को? सही है?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Clear.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Now tell me the same case for sine A plus B equal to what? Sine A dot cos B
sin A cos B plus
हाँ plus
plus Cos A sin B.
Sin B, cos A, whatever you want to say, cos A. Okay. Now, if you multiply the R, this we have to multiply with the both positions. R. Okay. So actually, what is it? This is what? This is x dash or y dash. From here you can see cos theta something is x upon r. So it is.
So X dash
X
upon
dash.
X dash upon R.
So now the same is here. If you apply
Below R. ठीक है.
y dash. Okay. Now if you change this r cos, you can see a b actually is what? Theta plus phi. So you can replace this r cos theta or r cos phi and r sin phi with x and y. So you will get what? You will get the same what we have discussed. Okay. This. Clear? Clear? Tell me this last line, you can see the whole calculation, the complete calculation. Again, you can understand.
Yes, sir.
The phi, there is a theta. The
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So from next time, if I ask in rotation case, what will be the x dash and y dash, then you have to tell me this equation, x cos theta minus y sin theta. If you are telling about x dash, you have to use minus. For remembering, I am giving you this suggestion that this point you can use. Assume that in x dash you have to use minus, and for y dash you use to plus. So x dash equal to x is there, x is also there, so y is there, y is also here. So same thing, but cos is with x in x dash, but in y case cos is with y. Okay, so it's a trick to learn or remember this, that x dash equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y dash equal to y cos theta plus x sin theta. Okay, clear? Tell me, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now x dash equal to
Yes, sir.
x cos theta minus y sin theta, y dash equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now this you can write in matrix format by using this rotation matrix. You have rotation matrix what? Cos theta, sin theta, cos theta with angle this minus. So cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. This is rotation matrix. And you can easily see that R is a rotation matrix, P is a original point, and P dash is the shifted or the new position of point So there is no plus, there is only multiplication. Multiplication is faster than addition. So if you are using this calculation or this concept, you can see there is a multiplication of this rotation matrix and the p point or point of object. Okay. So if we have seen this all calculation and we are rotating this in anti-clock direction. Okay, so we are getting what this scenario. But if you rotate this in clockwise direction, then you have to rotate this angle in minus theta. Okay, so whenever you rotate your angle in anti-clockwise, always remember use plus. If you are rotating your this theta in clockwise direction, then it will be minus. So use minus theta in case of clockwise direction. And for minus theta, tell me, cos theta is okay. What is cos minus theta?
So cos theta.
Exactly. So cos minus theta gives cos theta. There is no change. But sin minus theta is
Minus sin theta.
Minus sin theta.
So you will get, if you are you see these equations will change. That cos theta and cos minus theta is same. So in this factor, this factor will not change. Px cos theta, or we can say x cos theta is not, there is no change. But minus y sin theta, from here you can easily assume this, because we have written here py px. Okay, don't confuse with this. Actually this p dash x is x dash, px is x, py is y. Okay, so don't confuse with the p. P is only denoting the point y coordinate, point x coordinate. P dash means new position of point in x and y. So this portion minus y sin theta is changed because you are putting minus theta and it will give minus sin theta, though this minus will be plus. So equation, in case you are rotating this in clockwise direction, this equation will be now px cos theta plus py sin theta. And what will be the change in this? P dash y equal to minus px sin theta plus py cos theta, because sin minus theta will be minus sin theta, so minus px sin theta. But in cos minus theta there will be no change. समझ रहे हैं ना आप क्या कह रहा हूं मैं?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, what will be the matrix? Cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. If you are rotating in clockwise direction, that means from upper to lower side, this side, where my pointer is going from this side, because in this case you are rotating anti-clockwise this direction, so it is positive. But if you are using clockwise direction, then it will be negative. So cos minus theta will remain cos theta, sin minus theta will be minus sin theta, so this minus becomes plus, so sin theta. And here sin minus theta will be minus sin theta, so this value will be minus sin theta and cos theta. So in case of clockwise direction, your rotation matrix will change now. This cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. So always remember, and it's an important point, if you are rotating, if in question rotation is in clockwise direction, your rotation matrix will be changed, but slighter change. In the anti-clockwise direction, your minus will be this with this sign in one row, second column, but clockwise direction, your sign will be with this sign, minus sign, not with this. Okay, so remember this. And again, R is this and P is what? This X and Y. Okay, so if I end this and again share this whiteboard and clear all. Okay, so now if I ask you that you have a point P Okay, and you change this point P to P dash with the, I will use this. Sorry. Okay. So this is your P point, and now this is point P dash. Your coordinate, suppose it is 4,5. Clear? It is given 4,5. P is 4,5, and this is x-axis, and you want to rotate this with the 45 degree. Okay, so 45 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Because okay, so your theta will be plus. Now tell me the new coordinate x dash y dash. Okay, got it? You have given what? You have a P point and a theta angle that you want to rotate. Now tell the new coordinate or new position of this point P. Clear? What you have to do? Just use this x dash equal to what? Again repeat this. X dash equal to x cos. For theta I am using A. For phi I am using B.
45.
Not 45. It will be whatever 45. But tell me cos A and first tell me equation.
Plus y
Cos
sin
Now
b
minus sign y.
Minus sin
plus y sin b.
y sin A. A means theta. Okay. Y dash equal to what?
y dash cos theta plus x.
Sin A sir होगा, sin A होगा sir. Sin y minus sin A.
Y sin
A होगा sir. और sir इसमें जाएगा
A, x sin A plus y
x sin A plus y cos A.
cos A. Clear?
X sin a plus y cos a.
It is cos. Clear? You can also write in matrix format. What matrix format में कैसे लिखोगे इसको लिखने के लिए? Simply you can find this through this equation easily. Okay, use this formula and find and tell me what is the value of x dash and y dash. Quick, do it, calculate and give me the result. It's very easy.
So y dash 9 by root 2.
What is the value of cos 45?
So y dash 9 by root 2. 1 by root 2.
1 by root. Very good. 1 by root 2. What is the value of
1 by root 2.
value of x is what? X is what? 4.1 by
सर x dash की वैल्यू होगी -1 by root 2 हेलो
बोलते जाओ। बोलते जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। अभी व्हाइट बोर्ड पे क्या दिख रहा है? मुझे तो ब्लैंक दिख रहा है।
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा
अच्छा
सर।
कुछ नहीं,
तब सही।
ब्लैंक है।
वही कनेक्शन से मैं आउट हो गया था, तो दैट्स वाई ये क्लियर हो गया आई थिंक। सो वट एवर
अच्छा मैं
द,
भी हो गया था।
हाँ, वट एवर द answer is, just put the values of cos 45 and sin 45. So if I try to solve this using this matrix, then you will get cos 45 is 1 by root 2 minus sin 45 is minus sin root 2 and 1 root 2 and 1 root 2, and xy is what, 4 comma 4 5. In question it was 4 5. So in matrix format you can see this is similar, x dash equal to x cos 45 minus y sin 45. Okay, y dash equal to x sin 45 plus y cos 45. Clear? Both are similar. See, this is x, this is y, this is x, this is cos theta, this is cos theta. If you multiply this, this x is multiplied with this y is multiplied with this, so you will get what, x cos theta minus y sin theta. Again I am giving again the clear concept to you. इतने में तो आपको याद हो जाना चाहिए कि क्या इक्वेशन है, ठीक है? अब आपको बताना है बहुत जल्दी, फास्ट। दिस इज cos theta minus sin theta. Listen me carefully because the symbols are not very clear. Theta is like what I don't say. I don't want to say this is like what. Sin is like it is. So sin theta, cos theta, and it is x in this matrix. This is xy. So if you calculate, multiply with the x, this row and this column, so x cos theta minus y sin theta.
Sin theta.
Next is what, this row and this column again, so x sin theta, this sin theta plus sin is not like sin, is cos theta. Okay, so these are the similar equations we have formed in, formulated into, or tried to form in matrix format. And matrix format is why, because most of the processing which is fast through the matrix, so large calculations will be fast in matrix multiplication, and matrix addition is also good normally rather than the normal plus position plus operation. But in addition, matrix addition and matrix multiplication is far better. Okay, so by chance in this rotation multiplication is applied, but if you see in translation there is a plus. Okay, x y plus tx and ty. So there is a plus. So we will also try to make this plus into multiplication, but we will see that further in the coming classes. So this is the normal concept of rotation. You have to rotate theta degree anti-clockwise. You will use plus theta. If you are going to rotate clockwise theta, then you have used minus theta. And rotation matrix is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, so each and every case you have to use this cos theta sin theta and sin theta cos theta matrix and put take the points here. If you have 4 points, use x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 like that. So I'm going to give a question. You have to write. You have to do this here, and after that we will finish this class. So question is what? You have 4 points, or I am going to take only triangle. So 3 points are there. It is not like a triangle. First clear this and then draw this first, second and third. So you have this triangle. This point is 2, 3, and for this point, suppose it is 5, not 5 but 6, 3. Okay, 6, 3, and this point is 4, 6. Okay, so you have it 3 points. Now one more thing, it is in one plane, this x and y. Now you have to rotate this triangle theta degree. How much you have to rotate? This angle for easy, what value will be? I think take 90 degree. So rotate it 90 degree. Okay. In which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. That means this triangle should be rotated in the anti-clockwise direction. So use theta 90 degree. 90 degree. I am assuming it's easy to write A. So I am taking theta A equal to 90 degree. And now what will be the new position of this triangle? Okay. Calculate and draw the new position. Do it fast. समझ में आ रहा है आपको क्या करना है?
Yes, sir.
करो फिर जल्दी से. आप एक पॉइंट भी कर सकते हैं, हर एक पॉइंट के लिए.
सर एक -3 है, 2 है.
-3 कहाँ है?
ये सर सबके लिए सर हो गया है.
अच्छा निकाल लिए.
सर एक में होगा सर, ये 2, 3 में सर.
हाँ
यस सर.
क्या होगा 2, 3 में? क्या होगा?
-3 and 2.
एक मिनट मैं टेक्स्ट ले लेता हूँ. The position of 2, 3 will be what? हाँ.
So -3 and 2.
-3, 2.
Yes sir.
Okay.
And sir 4, 6 पे होगा सर. -6 and 4.
Equal to -6,
4.
4. Okay.
And sir 6, 3 पे होगा -3 and 6.
6, 3 is equal to -6,
So -3 and 6.
-3, 6.
Yes sir.
Great. Okay. So you have you done what? Individual calculation you have performed, or in matrix multiplication performed?
No sir. Formula x cos.
Okay, that's okay. So if you draw -3, this point will be -3, 2.
Yes, sir.
-3, 2. So I think we should first, what we should do? First we divide with this. Okay, use eraser and okay, good. So it is center point. Now it is origin point. So assume this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So all values of y is positive. So your triangle will be in upper side, not in lower side. But all the x values are minus. That means these are not this section. This will be opposite of 4. So this section your this triangle is going to draw. So your value is -3/2. So at the this will be at where? I will try to draw first. Take this point. Take this point. This is -3, 2. Okay. This is -3. Suppose 3 is here at this point. This point -3, 2. And your 6, 3 is changed by -3 to 6. So your -3 to 6, assume it will be here, like something here. This point will be here, -3, 6. Okay, exactly at the same line. This line should be same. So and 4, 6 is at -6 and 4. -6 like it will be here something. -6 and 4 here. This point. It's only assumption, not exact values, but you can draw in graph. At graph paper, you exactly draw -6/4. Okay. So your pixel is something. This point is something here. Now you draw. This is the exact line, and then you can use this here, and then you can know this. Okay. Clear? So you can see your original
Yes,
position. If original position was like this, after rotating 90 degree, you will get your triangle is in the next second coordinate area, and it is rotated with respect to this origin. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Mhm.